If only I have a meet cute story. I understand we have consumed a lot of content from fairy tales to rom-coms to chick flicks, Christmas movies. It's amazing. It's cute. And that content shapes our thought process, our actions. But regardless of what your meet cute is, it is only going to be 0.00001% of your overall life story. So, great if you meet somebody at a bookstore, at a stand up comedy, at a music concert, and you have a meet cute. But even if you don't, it's completely okay because you are going to build a life together with this person, with all those travel experiences, with all those fun things you do together, and you'll come up with your own life story. So don't worry about the meet cute.